Eastern PA Weather 30 meteorologist Bobby Martich here with your outlook for the weekend, May 19th and 20th, 2018. For your Saturday, we're going to have this quasi-stationary boundary that was settled off to our south for much of this week. It's finally going to be moving to the north this morning, and once it clears, we're going to start getting more intermittent showers. So the steady rain that fell overnight and is going to be taking place this morning probably ends by mid to maybe at the latest late morning. And it's going to be from southwest to northeast. And then after that point, we just have some intermittent showers to deal with. It's not an all-day deluge today. This is not going to be heavy rain all day, just some showery activity, but that's going to stay with us because we are still going to be under the influence of this front still in the area and moving off to the north. Here's the area low pressure driving this. There's a cold front situated back here with this also. That's going to come through on Sunday morning and finally get this out of here. This system has been plaguing us since last Tuesday when those severe thunderstorms rolled through, and then that front just kind of stalled south of the region. It's been sitting there for a while, and I think we're all ready to say goodbye to this and get rid of it. Let's go over the NAM High-Res Future Simulator Radar. I'm going to shut this off at 8 a.m. You can see the moderate to, with some embedded heavier showers going through this morning. And again, this is going to end from southwest northeast, at least the steady part of this. This is 10 a.m., here's 11, here's noon, and then see this starts lifting off to the north here. And after that point, we just get intermittent showers. This is just, some areas will be dry and just cloudy. You are going to remain cloudy, though, not expecting any sun today. And then just some spotty showers just the rest of the day and evening, and that will also be possible in the overnight. Once we get to Sunday morning, we have those clouds that are going to be hanging around in the morning, and maybe a leftover shower, or maybe even a thunderstorm. That's possible. But then we start to clear in the afternoon, and we're going to be going to partly cloudy skies eventually. So clouds and a leftover shower early in the morning on Sunday is the call, and then partial clearing in the afternoon. It's going to be very warm on Sunday too. We're going to have an upper level ridge that's going to be moving in after this system moves out. So here's a look at overnight. Saturday night, again, still a shower threat overnight. And then once we get into Sunday morning, still a shower possibly early in the morning. You can see that here. Look what happens in the afternoon, though. Nothing going on here, but then we have an upper level ridge that's moving into the area. You can't see that on the surface map here, but just trust me. It's going to be warm on Sunday, and the temperatures are going to be responding to the going up into the 80s in many locations on Sunday. So then we go forward from this point, again decreasing clouds in the afternoon on Sunday, so we will salvage at least 1/4 of the weekend. So today's probably a wash, and then as we get into Sunday, it starts off a little murky and then it gets better in the afternoon. Here's the overnight period Sunday night, partly cloudy skies, and then we have partly cloudy skies to start on Monday. Here's the morning hours, and then we have an increase in clouds in the afternoon. Some showers starting to creep into our western areas. Not sure how far east that gets, but let's call it partly to mostly cloudy, and then expect these showers to move in during the evening hours. That's what the best call is right now for Monday, and then I will continue into very early Tuesday morning. And then we have a partly to mostly cloudy day here on Tuesday with scattered thunderstorms possible in the evening. So we'll have to watch for that. A little murky start again on Tuesday, maybe a little bit of a break, and then you have an opportunity for scattered showers and thunderstorms. That signal has become less pronounced, though, as far as the thunderstorms are concerned on Tuesday than what we saw yesterday. So that probably take away the severe aspect that we're looking at as being a possibility on Tuesday now. But we do have the opportunity for a late day thunderstorm here on Tuesday. After that point, here's Wednesday. Wednesday's dry, and the front is south of us. We are in the clear, partly cloudy skies here on Wednesday, and mostly sunny on Thursday with high pressure in control. And by the time we get to Friday, we're back to partly cloudy again. But again, still very nice. We're going to have temperatures increasing as we head into the holiday weekend also. And just to look ahead of that right now, again, now keep in mind this can change. This is going out quite a bit. But here's a look at Friday. That is within our 7-day forecast window. We are expecting partly cloudy skies. Temperatures in the upper 70s or thereabout, give or take. And then once we get into Saturday, also looks like partly cloudy day, probably going north of 80. We're going to have warm temperatures here again. And then we have all this mess to deal with. The timing of this is going to be probably on Sunday that we're going to see this start coming into the picture. And that could be mainly what it's looking like right now. This is a Sunday and Monday deal. There's a front that might get hung up again. We'll see. Hopefully that's not the case. Also have an area low pressure down here that's trying to make its way in for Memorial Day holiday anyway. So at least right now it looks like the start of the holiday weekend is good. Friday and Saturday, that looks like it's a lot better of a chance of that. Sunday might end up just being late day thunderstorms, and that's it. We'll see. So you might not, it's not a total loss yet for that Sunday part of the weekend, holiday weekend, but Monday right now, it probably has the best chance for any shower or thunderstorm activity. We'll clear this up a little bit as we go through the week next week, and we get a little bit closer and can kind of hone in on this whole idea. Right now, it looks like the first 2 days of that 4-day holiday weekend look okay. A little iffy on the second half, and we'll narrow that down when we get a little bit closer. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marchus. That is your outlook for the weekend, May 19th and 20th, 2018. Have a great Saturday and Sunday.